Look, man, I'm on my way home, and what I see is a DeLorean. Yo, are you kidding me? This is crazy. This is freaking wild. Doors up, it's a DeLorean. You gotta love it, man. You gotta appreciate a good DeLorean when you see one. What? Man, he didn't pull up to a car meet, man. He pulled up to Target, man. He pulled up to Target. Wait, you selling it?
No, it's to scale.
Oh. No. I got nowhere to park this thing. They're gonna steal everything off of it. Yeah, I live in the ghetto. Bro, what the heck, man? Why this thing ain't Malibu, bro? That's wild. Look at this thing, man. Yo, this is crazy. Wow. You gotta love it, man. You gotta. Wow. Yo. Look, man, Savagely Beast. This car has been through the ringer, and he don't have no protective film on the car. This is crazy. Where's the man at? He not even around the car. His friend is in the car. He not here, but his friend is here. So, who knows? But I'm waiting on my TikToker to come back so I can start TikToking with the car and snakes on the web. Super. What's down with the Liberty Walk? Yo, this is crazy. Look, man. Everybody has wanted to see this car, and when you do get a chance to see it, it's just one in the beauty. For real. Like, it's touching the ground on the GT Evo. Crazy. Oh man, there he is right there, man. Goddamn. Looking for the. I know. I'm waiting on my TikToker to come back before I put the snakes on the car. Cause you know what I'm saying. I don't want to. You know what I'm saying? I'm just throwing.
He wants one on the tank.
No, right here. Look, man, I heard that.
That's cool. You bring in your Persian roots? Yeah. Roots?
Let's do it. Ready?
Oh, God. Look, man, they cold out here, man.
You got one, man?
Yep.
There's a lot of space. Are they both the same pythons?
I want to go around my tattoo like this.
Red tail, Dumbo, and ball python.
Oh yes, there are two of them. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's a little difficult. Woo! Savage, look at them. They massive. Look now, I gotta get the dogs on the camera because, yo, nice dogs, man.
Appreciate you. Like your snakes.
Thanks, man. Yo, dogs is savage. Crazy, bro. Look, man, that's wild. Wait, we got the McLaren. Oh, we gotta go do the, this is the McLaren that we had the snakes on. Super.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, thanks, bro.
What kind of snakes are these?
Red tail, Dumero, and the ball python.
That's crazy.
Thanks, man. Look, man. Wow. Look, man, it's another day and it's going down with the snakes on the Liberty Walk kid. Yeah. I mean, that's a sight to behold in itself. Look, man. Yeah. Come on now. Bust down, man. Super. Look, Ballooning got bigger, so now you know he's going to just look massively huge on the front of the car. Sir, why don't you have any protective film on the car? No protective film on the car. You going through the canyons, and it got chipped up 1,000, 1,000,000 times.
It's food for the snake.
Oh man, I heard that, man. Food for the snake. Wow. Oh, look at that shine. Look at that shine. Okay. Look, I was pointing at the Cadillac. Mr. Organic said, nah, this one. I said, why? He said, this one. What? You see that? You see that phone? original, boy. That's crazy right there. What? Man, they don't even make that. The people who probably invented that don't even play it. Look, man, we're not.
Look at that snake. Look at the snake.
Look at the snake.
Sorry.
Oh, you good, you good, you good.
Touch it, touch it. Touch it. It's so smooth. Wow. It's so clean. Oh, there's 2 of them, guys. What's their names?
Blue and Gucci?
Blue and Gucci.
Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
one's Gucci? Oh, there's 2.
Gucci is the one on my wrist.
Okay.
And the one on my hand is blue.
They're,
Yeah.
boas?
One boa, one ball python.
And they're babies, right? They get
Semi. They'll get bigger.
so beautiful. Look how clean and
Thank
smooth
you.
they are. Okay, guys.
Look, he's a little. Pops is like, look, I know you guys want to touch the snake, but you guys ain't never touched a snake before, so you guys. But they're being very gentle. They're being very gentle.
This is Gucci.
They like the kids like. You're welcome. She liked the tongue when it hit her fingers. She was like, yeah, yeah. That's nice. Look, man. Wait. What is that? What is that thing over there? It's a coffee maker?
Yeah.
Yo, there's a coffee maker? How does it? What? When did what? Why they stop making those, man? Come on now, that's crazy. Yo, thank you, sir. I appreciate it, man. You got a really nice savage beast of a car. Yeah. He's like, look, I like snake. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Yeah. Sorry about that, sir. Look, man, savage. Oh yeah, you see it. I like the color on the lap. How y'all doing, man? Dang, look at that interior. Red, black, and white? What's going on, fam? How you doing, man?
Good, how are
just
you?
another day. You already know.
Yeah.
Going down.
Every Sunday.
Oh yeah. Whoa, this is clean. Carbon fiber seats. V12. Yo, get out of here, man. Stop playing. Yo, this is crazy. Wait, is it a V12 or a V8? I think it's a V8. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's kicking like a 12. Yeah. It's kicking hard. It's kicking hard. Look at them rims.
It's faster than most 12.
This your car, sir?
Yeah.
This you try driving? That's you try driving?
No, I wish.
Look, man, they talking like they driving. He knew everything, man. Sheesh. Super. That's what's up, man.
Fuck with the red accents.
I do. The red bussin', bro. The red bussin'. Come on, man. You gotta understand. Ooh. Come on now. It's another day, another dollar. Let's go, baby. What? Look, man. When you get to see a beauty like this, look, you enjoy it, man. This is hard. How you doing, man? Crazy. Super, man. What? Look, man, this is where you come and you want to get that thing, man. Look at this.
Beautiful ball python truck there.
Yeah.
We have one at home.
Ball pythons.
These guys are so sweet. What's his name?
That's Gucci. Yes.
Enjoy,
Gucci. Oh, thank you. Look, man, it's going down out here with the red busting. Come on now. What? Oh, he look, it's a lot going down. Me and this dude and the biker trying to get through here. And the Lamborghini owner trying not to get ran over because, man, he got six tires. My feet is like, don't get ran over. Yo, this man got what? Oh, he got fuel things on that thing. I thought them was Forgiatos because it had the F on that thing, but it was close. It was close. What is he driving? Hold up. Wait. This is a Benz? This ain't no Benz. Wait, it's got a Benz steering wheel. What the hell is this man driving? Whoa. Wait, it is a Benz. What the heck? This car's been here this whole time. And wait. Bro. Why?
Why not?
What the hell? It's stuck in a gear?
Stuck in park.
Oh my God. I mean, it's new. This is new, right? 2018. God damn. Bro, this is hard. Bro, thanks for bringing this shit up. This is crazy.
Another one's getting wrapped.
No, another wrap on the McLaren. Here we go. Look, man, it's busting up, man. Let's hope you get it working, man. Let's hope you get it working. Oh yeah, crazy AMG thing. Yeah, you know it. You know it. Wow. Look, man. Gold wing doors. When you see them, you enjoy them. Always. What's going on? Donut for donut.
Bro,
Are you enjoying yourself?
you do a donut, you get a donut. It's simple.
Simple.
Don't make it complicated.
I mean, it's kind of complicated. You need
Look
some.
at how many snakes this is.
This is complicated, okay?
This is complicated.
This is
Yo,
Just
are
do
they
a donut.
friends? Are they friends?
Yeah.
They don't bite.
But are we friends?
100%, bro.
There it is, man. Go hit that blue button on IG. Super.
Wow, bro. This is crazy.
Yeah. Just another
Crazy.
day.
You only have 2? I feel like you
3.
have more.
There's one right there.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
That's crazy.
She's always helping me out when I need help.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Super. Look, you got the gold wing doors on the Benz SLR, baby. What? This is wild. Look at the door, right? Thank you. Appreciate it. Yep, snakes plural. Yep. It's not, you know, when you see snake, you just like, you don't just really say snake, you're like snakes. Yeah, snake. Yeah. Look at the rims matching the car. Look, love it, man. Love it on the AMG SLR. Look, gold wing doors with the red accents, baby. Crazy. Wild. And then you gotta love it when they got the hood open. Massive engine. Air intake right there on top of the head. Come on, bruh. Sweat. When do they do this ever? Carbon fiber. Come on now. Massive hood on the SLR. Come on now. This car is like this car is like Zeus coming down from the heavens and blessing us with his presence. And no one can care any less. Look at him. No one cares. No one can care. Hey, I found my guy. Bill Washi. He's on the phone. Yeah, he's on the phone. Not gonna bother him because he's on the phone. Yeah. Man, say what? Look at this, man. Look. Bust down. No? You don't like snakes? Oh, what? Hold up, bro. You don't like snakes?
Oh,
Why not?
snakes
Come
in the
on,
grass.
man. Come on, man. Look, man. He running in the Rose Reezy. Look, man, hey, you should have told me, bro. I would have came and got his ass. I would have got him, bro. I would have got him.
That's DJ Khaled's manager.
That's DJ Khaled manager. What the? Oh, y'all finna go scare the shit out of him.
I thought DJ Khaled was a manager.
Oh! Look, he's doing his thing. He's taking a picture with the car. You feel me? Look, he thought he was about to hand it back to me, but I don't want Gucci right now, bro. I'm recording the car. Yo, this thing. Look, man, it's another day. I was recording and the camera stopped. I don't know why. What's your name, man?
Mike,
It says Alex on your sweater.
don't mind that.
Are you sure? This guy, I don't know. All right, where can they find you at?
My at MOSO.HOVHANNISYN.
That was a lot, bro.
Or my car account M3FORTTY or TYY. One of those two.
There it is, man. Y'all go plug and hit that button on IG, man. Go ahead and let them know what it is, man.
That's still way too long.
What's your Instagram?
DAVO.KHACH.
There it is. There it is.
I wasn't as bad.
Not as bad, but they got this, man. They on 3 wheels out here, man. You don't know. It's going down. Thanks, fellas, man. Go ahead and throw them on the car, man. If you want to do it, man, throw it on the lack, man.
No, I don't want to throw on the flag.
Bro, what? No snakes on the lack?
No,
Why not?
We can't be doing that.
Why not?
You never know.
Yo, wait, what you mean?
You never know for that. They might scratch the paint.
He slithers. Come on.
Did you really just disrespect my snakes like that? Man, my snakes have been on LaFerraris and Bugattis, Koenigsegg's and Apollo IEs, bro.
This is a Cadillac.
He literally
Come,
said
let's go.
no to the snake on the
Let's go
lot.
talk to the owner of the car. He's gonna call me.
What? Let's go holler at him. What? Oh, cause he not the. Man, you was hyping me up. Man, hyping me up. I thought it was his car the whole time, man.
We got
Crazy.
OG Harry from
Could I get
Individuals right here.
You cool being on camera?
Yeah.
All right, so we got OG Harry in the building because Alex, you know what I'm saying, is not Alex. We don't know who Alex is. What's going on?
Not much. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I like the car, man.
Yeah, everybody does. We build a lot of Cadillacs, and this is one of my best friends. I'm test driving, getting everything like tied up.
Okay.
And we got a few cars at the house.
All right. He just came to test it to make sure it could sit in three-wheel motion for
right.
4 hours.
If you can get attention.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna get attention. It did get attention, and it's still getting attention. Still getting attention. Bruh, are we putting snakes on the Cadillac?
Yeah.
Snakes on the snakes on the Lolo?
yeah.
Oh man,
Woo!
snakes on the Lolo, baby.
Put that
Oh,
on the hood.
look, we got to do that, man. Super. Hold up, man. What's your Instagram, man?
What's my Instagram?
I don't know Instagram.
Abrahamian. What is it? Abrahamian.
It's individuals. LA Car Club. That's what they.
This is OG
Why do
Harry.
y'all not have individuals LA Car Club?
What happened?
How come that's not the Instagram?
Oh, we do have it, but I have my own personal too.
Okay, there it
we
is.
have an individuals North Hollywood.
Yeah, that's
We're
the
from the-
Instagram.
Underscore.
Okay.
Yeah, but this
NH.
is OG Harry. Just look him up on Instagram. It's Abrahamian Harry. You'll find him. Just type in Harry. You'll see it.
Okay, see, my man is the face. He don't really talk too much. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else got the he got this, man.
We got it.
Appreciate you, bro.
Anytime, man.
Super. Look, man. It's going down out here.
Put this thing.
Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Look.
Let me drop those.
And he still got the snake in his hand. Look,
Of course, you
look.
know how we do it.
He still got the snake in his hand.
Where do you want me to put it?
Wow. Oh wait, you gonna hit a switch with the snake on the car?
No.
That'll be a
Might
little,
not be dangerous.
No, he's gonna drop it. He's gonna drop it. He's gonna pick up the snake.
huh?
He's gonna drop it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, it would be. I mean, dropped up. I mean, hey, it's crazy. What? Come on now. This is wild. Yo, three-wheel drop with the... Woo! Yo, hey, that was something. If I ain't ever seen it myself, all right, I'm gonna just tell you that right now. That was a drop with the snake on it, bro. What? That is new. Okay, my dude in the Tesla just did a little swoop. Okay, I like the Porsche, baby. Nice. Look, man, but it's all about the Lolo with snakes on the Lolo. Look, snakes on the lack, baby. Going down. Individuals, if you don't know, LA Car Club, baby. He builds Lolos. So if you need a Lolo,
Snakes over here by the girls.
yeah. Oh. Now that's nice. Whoa, look at the trunk on that. That's bust down.
Is it
Wow.
too hot or they cool?